Okay, Vedio company in China, 3-in-1 fuel assembly optical connector. The first step is insert the dust cap here, okay? Corner optic tab. While we first connect. Full cover slim here. This is a drop cable, okay? So now we're gonna insert the connector step by step here. The rubber ring. Here. Another part here. Red rubber ring. Cable crack. Okay, now here we're gonna show you this is assembly with the cable like this. First step, strip off the 50mm cable, okay? And using the cable holder here, strip the beer fiber as well. Like that. Okay. Using the alcohol and cleaning the beer fiber. Take it down. Using the cleaver here. This is the cable. That's it. This is for the beer fiber cleaning here. Okay, now we're gonna sweep this roll here. Okay. Take off the cable. This is my point. Very small fast connector, very small and compact. Okay, like that. Insert just cap here. Make sure align the flat cable here and the V-graph backward, forward. Insert the cable, the beer fiber. Okay. So lock the fiber. That's it. Insert the boot, screw in. Very tiny, okay. And using the final step here, make sure this is a little narrow here, okay, and this is the narrow as well, and align, put together here, insert it, okay. Now slides on. Cable clip, okay. It's the metal ring, and it has another red rubber ring right here, okay. Sir, screw in. Okay. This is another ring, the rubber ring, beer fiber. Align it. Here. And screw in the boots. So here's a computer for the assembly with the fast connector. And this is for full covers, okay. and fast connect here. This is for the optic tab as well, okay? So align it. This is an arrow here, and this is a little gap, and we need to make sure, okay? Insert it, put it in, and take it out. Become optic tab, okay? So I'm gonna take it down here, screen completely here, and this is for Huawei Fast Connect. Okay, take it down. Okay, so now we have a 3 type the adapter as well. Okay, this is for calling optic tab. Take it down. Okay, like that. Using the optic tab here. Okay. Okay, so now insert the optic tab. There's a little gap here. This is a narrow. Insert the narrow, align the gap. Just take it off. That's gap. Become optic tab. Okay, take it down. Next, to show you the Huawei, okay? Narrow here in the little cap. Okay, take it down. I'm using the Huawei adapter. Twist it, lock, okay? This is a Huawei Fast Connect, and here is the full cover as well. And we also have a full cover adapter here. Okay, take it out, and as well the narrow little gap, insert, become. So we have the totally with slim body, same body. Compatible for Huawei optic tab calling, so it's completely for the 3-in-1 field sampling optic connector. Thank you for watching.